If you want to make a video wallpaper on iPhone 16e, then unfortunately the only way so far to do so is by converting a video into a live photo. And not only that, the live photo should last approximately a second or two, because if you try to make it longer, then it won't work. And unfortunately, it doesn't always work as well. Even if you try different apps, they sometimes work, sometimes they don't. But I found one that somewhat works for me, so you can try it out as well. If not, then feel free to try any other app. In my case, I use this one, Video to Live. I'm gonna also show you how to find it in the App Store. So I just typed Video to Live. There we go. And this is the one that I used. So I'm gonna actually open it and I'm gonna show you what I did. So first, I had to choose video and live photo. Of course, you will see some ads in the meantime because this is a free app. Now, I have this video here that lasts 8 seconds, so I can select it and then press next over here in the top right corner. And then here we have the range, pretty much, of the live photo. So the video will be converted into that specific range. We can also crop it a little bit or something. We can do a bunch of different stuff here. But if you want to simply convert a video to a photo, then select the area that you wish to use. And then once you are done, we can press Make here in the top right corner and then choose Live Photo iOS 17 Plus. Of course, we will see an ad. Once we close it, we should be able to see the information that Live Photo has been created. Okay, so now what we need to do is go to the wallpaper settings. So let's go to settings, choose wallpaper. We're gonna add a new wallpaper. I'm gonna choose photos and let's select this one. And it is actually being played, so you can try to press the live photo option over here. But as you can see, it is only a small part of the video, unfortunately. But it works, right? So now we can press add in the top right corner. I'm gonna set it as wallpaper pair. And let's see. And there we go, it works. I have this video that of course lasted a little bit longer, but I can convert it into the live photo that lasts like a second or so and use it as a wallpaper. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!